Welcome to the TopPick lab. The best face moisturizer is probably one of the most essential skincare products for men. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of face moisturizers, exploring the top contenders that promise to keep your skin hydrated, healthy, and looking its best. We'll cover everything from lightweight lotions to rich creams, helping you find the perfect match for your skin type and daily routine. Number 5. Rugged and Dapper Age Defense Face Moisturizer. This dermatologist-recommended moisturizer instantly locks in moisture. It absorbs quickly and completely, defending against fine lines and uneven skin tone. It delivers essential nutrients to keep your skin looking fresh all day. Crafted in the USA with potent vitamins and nourishing peptides, this unscented lotion fuels your skin from within. It's packed with natural ingredients and is non-toxic, free from harsh chemicals, synthetic fragrances, and animal cruelty. Ideal for most skin types, this fast-absorbing formula enhances your skincare routine. It helps you optimize and save money by replacing multiple products in your regimen. This versatile moisturizer covers all the bases. Peptides tackle signs of aging and boost collagen production. It hydrates, eases post-shave discomfort, prevents ingrown hairs, and controls oil production. Every tube is proudly crafted in small batches in California. The brand prioritizes delivering top-notch products with premium ingredients that deliver results you can see and feel, day after day. With instant application in 15 seconds, you can keep a consistent routine for long-term results. Say goodbye to cluttered counters and hello to simple yet effective face care. Use it after washing with the Daily Power Scrub Facial Cleanser. What we like. This moisturizer provides instant hydration, keeping your skin fresh all day. It's packed with clean, natural ingredients, ensuring your skin gets the best care. If you have sensitive or acne-prone skin, or if you're looking for a versatile product that tackles aging and controls oil, you should consider this. What people say. This moisturizer is fantastic. It leaves my skin feeling hydrated and smooth. It absorbs quickly and doesn't leave a greasy residue. Number 4. BULLDOG Original Full Face Kit. This is the BULLDOG Original line. It's designed to provide a balance of soothing and moisturizing properties. The products are perfect for everyday use. Daily shaving and other activities can be tough on your skin. That's why this product is specifically designed for normal skin. It helps keep your skin healthy. The original moisturizer, face scrub, and face wash work great together. Using them as a set will help you achieve the best results. It's a complete skincare solution. The products contain natural ingredients like aloe vera, camelina oil, and green tea. These ingredients are carefully combined for exceptional performance. They are gentle on your skin. The products never contain artificial colors, synthetic fragrances, or ingredients from animal sources. You can trust that it's made with quality ingredients. It's a natural choice for your skin. What we like. This product is all about balance, designed for everyday use on normal skin. It combines soothing and moisturizing properties, making it perfect for daily routines. If you're looking for a simple, effective moisturizer with natural ingredients to keep your skin healthy, you should consider this. What people say. I use the scrub, weekly, and face wash, daily, in the shower. They both feel great and rinse off cleanly. And I apply the moisturizer after shaving, it never feels heavy. Easy system, face looks and feels fresher, the lotion has a satisfyingly pleasant scent, no burning or harshness whatsoever. Number 3. 8 Saints Daydreamer Anti-Aging Face Moisturizer. This is Daydreamer, a daily face moisturizer from 8 Saints. It blends organic hydrators and botanicals to keep your skin feeling its best. It's oil-free and suitable for all skin types. Daydreamer intensely hydrates your skin, thanks to the hyaluronic acid. You won't have to worry about any greasy residue. Rosehip oil and peptides also provide anti-aging benefits. This moisturizer includes vitamin E, hyaluronic acid, rosehip oil, and borage seed oil. These natural and organic ingredients work together to nourish your skin. It's also cruelty-free and fragrance-free. 8 Saints focuses on truth and clarity in skincare. They use 8 key ingredients to provide the most benefits. This product is made in Maine, USA, with love from globally sourced ingredients. Try this organic face moisturizer worry-free with a 30-day return policy. If it doesn't work for you, contact them for a refund. It's that simple. What we like. This moisturizer offers oil-free hydration with anti-aging benefits, thanks to its natural and organic ingredients. It intensely hydrates without leaving a greasy residue. If you like a lightweight, fragrance-free moisturizer that provides both hydration and anti-aging effects, you should consider this. What people say. The lightweight texture absorbs quickly without feeling greasy, and it leaves my skin feeling soft and hydrated all day. It absorbs fast, so I can apply my makeup shortly after without issues. My skin feels smooth, hydrated, and comfortable throughout the day. It effectively moisturizes and is very lightweight, feels very soft and hydrating without being greasy. Number 2. L'Oréal Paris Men Expert Vitalift Moisturizer. Introducing a powerful moisturizer designed for men. This product is formulated to combat wrinkles, loss of firmness, sagging, roughness, and dryness. It's your daily defense against aging. This moisturizer is packed with proretinol and parelastol. These ingredients work together to reduce wrinkles and firm the skin. The formula is non-greasy and absorbs quickly. Men Expert products are designed to keep your skin moisturized and hydrated. This helps to fight the key signs of aging. Using this product regularly can make a noticeable difference. Men Expert offers a range of products tailored for men's skincare needs. Use this moisturizer with a cleanser, aftershave, and beard balm for the best results. You'll feel the difference. For a complete skincare routine, pair this moisturizer with the Men Expert Hydra Energetic Facial Cleanser. The cleanser removes dirt and excess oil, preparing your skin for the moisturizer. It's a great combination. What we like. This moisturizer is specifically designed to fight the signs of aging, with a focus on wrinkles and firmness. It absorbs quickly, leaving your skin feeling refreshed. If you are looking for an anti-aging solution that is non-greasy and absorbs quickly, you should consider this. What people say. With one of the best facial moisturizers I've seen in a while, the type you feel come out of your skin in the shower at the end of the day, that adds pro-retinol for wrinkles. Great for the ridges of the forehead, and around the eyes. Excellent skin care for mans over 40. It's light and all skin types adjusted formula. The first skincare product that my skin actually absorbed. Made my skin smooth and the scent is amazing. Very light scent, sort of minty with apple. Great product. Number 1. Jack Black Double Duty Face Moisturizer SPF 20. This is a fantastic product from Jack Black. It's a double-duty moisturizer with SPF 20, perfect for daily use. It helps to protect and hydrate your skin. The SPF 20 in this moisturizer provides essential protection against the sun's harmful rays. This helps to prevent premature aging and sun damage. It's a simple step for healthier skin. This facial moisturizer keeps your skin hydrated throughout the day. It absorbs quickly and doesn't leave a greasy feeling. It's designed specifically for men's skin. Looking for a gift? This moisturizer is an excellent choice for any man. It's a practical and appreciated gift that promotes healthy skincare. Give the gift of great skin. Jack Black is known for its high-quality men's grooming products. This moisturizer is no exception. You can trust the brand for effective and reliable skincare solutions. Try it today. What we like. This product provides daily moisturization with the added benefit of SPF 20 protection. It's a great choice for everyday use, keeping your skin hydrated and protected from the sun. If you like a product that simplifies your routine with sun protection, you should consider this. What people say. This moisturizer is fantastic. It leaves my face feeling hydrated and smooth. It absorbs quickly and doesn't leave a greasy residue. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.